Yeah, there's a couple of lights, 2.5 inch, 2 inch turbos, pretty much. SR20 turbo.
T28 Mamba.
It's like a T25G Mamba, pretty much.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah.
So how much power does it make?
150 kilowatts.
That's heaps.
Yeah. I want more, but yeah, it's heaps. The only thing letting me down today is tyres and brakes, pretty much. It's just stock. It's stock for the turbo, and then suspension, arms, camber arms, all that. So,
I heard you cooked your brakes on the first go.
The fluid boiled, so, and the brakes, there's not much in the pads as it is, and they're just whatever came factory, I'd figure. So
I've just finished doing the same thing on mine, getting it ready for a roadworthy so I can drive it, but it's just a stock D16 at the moment. So yeah, there you go. It's all sleeper built. B16 turbo T25 baby, total sleeper. And yeah, I walked right past this twice, and then I saw the heat shield was bent up, and I thought that's weird, and that's because there's a wastegate there. So
the only thing I couldn't really hide.
Yeah, that was the only. Otherwise, I walked past it a couple of times.
Yeah.
Stock injectors?
No, they're 1000 cc's.
Is it on E85?
No, but future plans were
on
E85. Yeah. Because what I want to do would be like get a B18, B2 bottom end, seal up the deck like an inch, drill it out, stock bottom end, and then maybe get some Type R cams or Skunk 2 cams, just a little bit more.
Yeah.
I've got a 2871R to put on it.
Perfect.
And just still leave it like this.
With boost, the VTEC cams and all that doesn't really matter too much.
You do get more.
Oh, you definitely will.
Like,
yeah.
But because these cams are just like 80 cams really, the B16A2 ones. So yeah, it's like SR20 with one cams really.
Spewing I didn't get one of these, but same wheelbase. This one's really tidy though, all original. I love it. Nice car, man, and
thanks.
Congrats on the sleeper build. Like, that's a keen eye to find that.
Yeah.
You would never get hassled.
And a few little things if you look really close, you're seeing like the map sensor says 4 bar on it and stuff like that, so.
Can't wait to see it out there again.
Awesome, thanks man.
No worries, have a good day. Here we go. Another Honda VTEC Power. This one's got the coil pack conversion, quad throttles. This one is a full-on race car, so really awesome build, really awesome setup. It's done at the right colour too. Black Civics are the go. Just running an old school Wolf 3D. I haven't seen one of those in a while. But yeah, sounds awesome.
Yeah, you too. We're gonna go do Christmas gifts.
Do a 34. Try it.
there's any.